video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Hello everyone, welcome to AKSIAS. We are planning to start UPSC PCM Comprehensive Foundation course in next few days. The date and the time where you have to come, everything would be provided at the end. Now, I just want to explain you about our comprehensive program. See, the terms comprehensive and all you might have heard everywhere, but AKS is planning to ensure we stand by the word that we are promising now. Initially, we will give proper orientation to the students to understand the exam. From our experience of teaching to so many students, all these students come and ask us certain basic questions like, sir, how to start preparation? From where to start? How to read newspaper? Right? Which subject to read? Even though many institutions provide entire book list, students are not comfortable with the books. For example, if in history a student is reading one particular book, and if he is not comfortable reading that particular book, we will suggest him which may be easier for him. Some books may be complicated, some books may be easy. Now, there is a standard book for economy. When you read that book, sometimes you may not understand the terminologies. So at AKS, what we will be doing, we will tell the students, first read these basics and then come back to this. So hand holding will be there at every stage. I myself will be available at the institution, and if students have any specific doubt, all the faculties including me will be available to you people. You can ask and clarify such small doubts as well. We have created an environment where the faculty student interaction will be more of communication and exchange of ideas rather than just like a faculty will give you information and he goes, and again when you have doubts he may not be available. We want to ensure that faculties are available to students whenever they get doubt. And as soon as the batch starts, initially for few days we will have orientation for every subject. The meaning of this, we will try to tell you how to approach every subject in detail. That will give you a focus. As soon as the class starts, subject starts, even in that we will try to ensure how exactly you need to read this particular things. We will ask you to get the standard textbooks to the class. We will tell you which topics we are dealing as of today. You can go back to home and read that particular topic. And if you are preparing to check whether you are doing perfectly or not, we will be giving you tests regularly. Along with that, students have a fear that can we perform well in answer writing? Sir, I am from science background. I am not good at writing answers. Can you help me out? Faculties will give you questions in the class. If you write, faculties will evaluate personally and they will give. We do not believe in having a team where the team will work as faculties. Here, the experience of faculties is required for the students. to evaluate himself. From my experience in teaching geography and international relations, if I evaluate, you will get honest feedback. But a person who has just cleared an exam or not cleared an exam, if he evaluates, he will be thinking only from a student perspective. So, faculties who teach, they themselves will be involved in helping you to analyze the answers better. So, we are planning to ensure that in every batch there are minimum number of people so that faculties can give equal time to all the students. Apart from the classes, tests, answer writing, mentoring will also be provided to the students. For example, students' biggest problem is, sir, I attend classes for 4 to 6 hours. After that, I don't know how to utilize my time. So, we will give you proper timetable as well. Individually, you can come and meet us. We will give you proper timetable, where in the timetable we'll tell 1.5 hours, read newspaper. This subject you have to read. So that effectively, for next 1 year, we will be there with you. That individual focus is our strength. We are working to ensure that each and every student gets enough attention so that every student who is willing to become IAS or IPS, just because of some basic mistakes, they are not able to clear the exam. So in the beginning stage itself, if those basic mistakes are rectified, then it's very, very easy for us to clear this exam. So guys, after your coaching, till prelims test series will be there. After that, mains test series will be there. Interview program will also be there. Almost all the major optionals chosen by the students are provided at AKS. So, even for optionals, you need not go outside. Just ensure that you join soon. Because guys, if you give me enough time for preparation, if you can complete the course, you start now, we will complete the course in another 6 to 8 months, and then in the remaining time you can revise. The more you delay, you will be joining in next batches, 1 month delayed, 1 month less time for preparation. So, I request you, whoever is showing interest and calling us regularly, I know you have some personal problems like exams, work pressure and all, but the more you delay, the more it would postpone your success. Fine guys, we'll be waiting to meet you here, right? We will be available personally as well. You can talk to us whenever you want. For any details about the course and the availability of the faculties, you can contact to the following numbers guys. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.